Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about a very common problem called Taskbar is not working in your Windows. So how can you solve it? First, you need to press Ctrl, Alt and Delete, and then you'll find the option called Task Manager. Click on that, and after that, here we need to find Windows Explorer. Click on the right mouse button and click Restart. Then another time open Task Manager, and here we're going to click on Run New Task, and here we can simply type Reach Edit. Click enter, and then we can simply open HP local machine, and then we can simply look for software. Into the software we need to find out Microsoft. Here is Microsoft. Click on it, and after finding Microsoft we need to look for Windows. We need to scroll down a little bit, and here we'll find the Windows. Click on it 2 times, and then we need to look for current version. Here is the current version. You can simply open it. And then we need to look for shell. The shell is over here, I think. Here is the shell. Open it. And into the shell, we can simply look for update. And then we'll look for packages. As you can see, here is the packages. And now into the packages, we can simply click on the right mouse button and click new. And create a DWORD32 bit value. And then we can name it like the first one is a capital letter U and name it as undocking. Remember, there will be no space in between undocking disabled, and keep the U as a capital and the D as capital 1. These two need to be capital. After we can click on it 2 times, and then here we'll create the edit DWORD value. So we're going to get the value data as 1 and then click OK. And that's it. So after, if your problem doesn't fix here, then what we can do, we can simply go to Task Manager another time and run as a new task, or we can simply open the File Explorer, go for local C drive, and then we're going to go for Windows. And after going for Windows, we're going to look for System32. So here is the System32, click on it. And then here is a search bar, and here we can simply search for CTF Mon. And here we can simply find the CTF Mon over here. Click on the right mouse button and click on Run as Administrator. And after giving it as a Run as Administrator, your problem will be solved and you just need to restart your PC. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.